Today I'm doing a short review of this Droidables. I think my kid got this for his birthday or Christmas. Disney Hasbro. He hasn't taken it out yet, so it's stuck in here. It doesn't move, but it does make noises and stuff. You can move the head a little bit. Then this. So try to do that. Hit it in the head. It doesn't do anything, but when you tilt it, it starts. Depending on how you tilt this, it says it has 20 plus lights and sounds. Again, you can move the head, the legs kind of move, but mainly the sounds come when you bend the head a certain way. See from behind. You can actually even just hold it. So you can do it quickly or hold it. And that's it. Over and out. It's pretty noisy toy. Over and out.